What's up guys, it's Marissa from Krietz Customs showing off a 2020 Jeep JL Wrangler build. Now Krietz Customs went ahead and installed the Rough Country 2.5-inch suspension lift. This one's going to replace the shocks and springs all the way around on the vehicle. They do have some different options like their Vertex coilover kits if you do decide to off-road and want a little bit more of a sturdier lift kit. Coming down here to your wheel and tire package, this is going to be the Fuel Contra. This is a 2212 -44 offset. This is going to push the wheel and tire package about 4 inches past those fenders, so make sure you guys keep that in mind when choosing yours. This is going to be that matte black finish, so it's not going to be a shiny gloss, it's going to be a matte finish. It's going to look great on this Jeep. The tire is going to be the Fury Country Hunter RT. This is a 35/12/50/22. And this tire is going to be Fury's all-terrain tire, so it's going to have a nice small center tread, but an aggressive sidewall to give it that off-road look. Now, if you're looking for a little bit more of a thicker tread, Fury does have an option for a mud tire, so keep that in mind as well when you're building your Jeep. If you guys like this build and you're ready to get started on yours, you guys can click the link in the description, as well as taking advantage of our 0% financing options.